Hello, I'm very glad to present you first Arduino car on this channel. It is small, it is fun and you can make it yourself. It can be programmed for custom movements or controlled with TV remote control. In this video I will show you how to make this cool little car. This will be a great project for rainy days that are coming. For this project I will use this board, Arduino Nano, motor driver module, two geared DC motors, battery, resistors, switch, LEDs, infrared receiver, sockets. So collect all the parts and let's get started. Now we need to connect everything to Arduino Nano. I tried to make schematic, but that was a big fail. It was a real mess. So I created this picture for you. Our motor driver is connected to pins 5, 6, 10 and 11. Infrared receiver is connected to pin 2. And lights are connected to pins 3 and 4 on Arduino Nano. Don't forget to connect ground and VCC. I hope that this picture will help you. You can find this picture in the description of video also. So let's start soldering. The final step is to solder this LED, which will be used as rear wheel. I will try to explain how to control our motors. Left motor is connected to pins 5 and 6. If pin 5 is high and pin 6 is low, wheel will rotate forward. But if pin 5 is low and pin 6 is high, wheel will rotate backward. Using this method you can program direction of movement. To set speed you can use pulse width modulation. You can download code from description of video. If you want to control movement with TV remote control, you will need infrared library. You will also need to decode your TV remote control. Check example code in description. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you like it and have a nice day. Goodbye.